Maximizing utilization is fundamental to improving production performance and to the Datanomix platform. That's why every new customer starts out with 3 proven quick wins that dramatically boost uptime and help set a new benchmark for production performance. The first quick win is Stop Machines, which introduces the power of real-time data to the whole production floor. Large TVs are hung on the shop floor that broadcast what machines are down, why, and for how long. Having visibility into down machines enables a team approach to getting them back up and running as soon as possible. Next is notification. Real-time alerts are sent to designated mobile devices when specific things happen or go on for too long. These real-time alerts are great for lights-out manufacturing, multi-machine operators, and supervisors or managers who are often tied up in meetings. With notifications, you can make sure small issues don't turn into big problems that ruin your schedule. Lastly, Time on Tap tracks and trends downtime at the beginning of a shift, before and after breaks, and at the end of a shift. By displaying this information, it provides people with the information they need to perform their best. Simply introducing these 3 workflows to the production floor delivers impressive results. The average customer sees an additional hour per machine per day from quick wins. Check out the Datanomix website's ROI calculator to see what impact quick wins could have on your facility.